Hello and welcome to the Northland. So if I sound a little funny, it's because I'm trying to get over COVID. It finally caught up to me. I figured it's been 2 years I think since it's come out. I've been able to run this long, but I guess, as the saying goes, you can run but you can't hide. And I believe at some point in time all of us will have had COVID at least once. So this happens to be my turn. Anyway, I digress. Today, we are having doors installed. Should be quite the transformation when it's done, and stay tuned, and hopefully it'll be something you enjoy. I know it's not car related, but again, these kind of little improvement projects are fun to record. So all right, we'll see you at the end. They're here to start the job. Let's see what they're doing. Woo! You guys need coffee or anything?
What's that?
You guys like coffee or anything?
Oh, I'm okay. I don't need like coffee. Yeah, I'll take a cup of coffee.
Okay, black, cream, sugar?
Black's fine.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
So this is your standard, you have the two
All right,
tracks. You have
they're
this
making
horizontal
progress. Look at that, we get all new tracks.
This right here is this upward
Everything's
track
gonna be
here
new.
is called the radius.
All right.
And it is different. Here's your Mustang.
What's that?
Well, here's your Mustang. The opening, and I'm going to mount these tracks just to get the door started.
First panel, putting it together.
Yeah, no, thank you. Okay, so now before I mount either one of my tracks,
It's gonna look like. Ooh, this is gonna look gorgeous.
it's not gonna look bad. But I ain't getting a brand new door. I would want it. Want it at my house.
God, it's gonna look really good when it's done. Looks fabulous. Woo!
Creases on that one. Neither of the other two had creases on.
Now we're working on the small door. We got the large one in. We had one ding in the bottom panel. They're gonna have to reorder that one and come back out and put it back in, but other than that, and then I guess the seal on the bottom of this door was the wrong size too, so they will replace that as well when they come back out. So it's gonna look good. And all new seals. Everything's been tuned up and ready to roll.
Yeah, snap it back, so spin it back. Clean some of the sides.
Old seals off, and new seals in.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That's gonna look great. On the inside. Okay, there it is. Completed project. I think they look great. And I don't know, I think they're going to look really cool at night too. And you'll see why in just a minute. Getting everything put back, slowly but surely. We even got the hardware on the outside of the garage door. is magnetic, which I know maybe sounds kind of hokey. It is plastic, but it looks like hammered metal. And of course, they don't tell you that if you drill holes in the door, you void the warranty. So rather than going with real hardware, we went with the magnetic stuff to make, just to accent the door. So, all right, here we are at night. I think it looks pretty darn good. Much better than them old, solid, crusty, cheap and cheesy. Okay, maybe I'm being over dramatic. They were good garage doors. They served their purpose. But these look just simply amazing. And they really complement, I think, the front of the house. Really add to the curb appeal. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think I went overboard? Or is it... do you think it'll add to the resale value of the house? So, we only plan on being here another maybe 5 years, 6 at the most maybe, so they should last well beyond that. All right, so thank you for watching. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Even if you didn't like the video, smash it with whatever you have handy. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that little bell at the bottom after you hit the subscribe. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And make sure you share it with anybody you think might have an interest. And what the heck, even if you don't think they'll have an interest, share it anyway. All right, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video next week.